So how can home builders, developers, architects, and others learn about the search patterns in the markets that they serve and use that data, the data provided by your companies, to refine their own offerings?
That's a good question.
I want to go into this one because I wasn't necessarily anticipating talking about this in this conversation, but we're kind of, if we think about our roadmap at Local Logic right now, a lot of the insights we're providing are kind of a snapshot, like a snapshot today. And it's interesting because I think that the commercial real estate industry really looks at comps or comparable properties when they're kind of making decisions as a snapshot of what's there today. But that's not necessarily the best way of thinking about it, because if you're building something, when is it actually going to deliver? When are you actually going to be selling it or leasing it up? There's a lead time to that. And so what we're doing right now is working on first starting to be able to actually expose historic trends in how things change, and not just demographic patterns, but our location scores. Because I think what we're doing with our AI and machine learning is understanding what are the actual factors that are driving value and change in a neighborhood over time. And so to be able to say, maybe I'm looking at a map, I want to understand where there's been, a lot of coffee shops opening recently, in conjunction with maybe a sharp increase in people with a certain education level, or, just different, signals that things are going to change. Because deciding today based on a static snapshot of what's happening in a site is not necessarily what you should be building for or what you should be preparing for. Yeah. So I think being able to use that data and machine learning to actually project
a little forecasting
change over time. Yeah, I think that's really where we're trying to get with our offerings.
Yeah, to build a big enough data source that you can, make assumptions about, when that new real estate project or architectural project is done 3 years from now, does it have the longevity and the legacy nature to sustain the changing environment for the real estate market?
Well, and I think also looking at just the supply and demand balance, what other projects are going to be delivering around that time, and what is demand actually going to look like in that area at that moment, I think is really important to understand. And maybe at a more micro level, I find using our data to inform the architectural programming of individual assets to be super fascinating, because if we can tell you that there is a real gap in this submarket for coffee shops or grocery stores or, X kind of retail, or park space, how does that inform the developer's decision of what do I need to include on this site that would just really be a game changer in value and actually drive
the quality of life for the entire neighborhood or town by making those smart decisions on their next development project.
I think
really
it helps
make an impact.